Welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front rotor and brake pad on your Kia Forte 2016. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do it. Alright. Okay guys, this is the vehicle that the one that I'm going to replace the front rotor on the brake pad. Okay, this one is year 2016. And then here are the tools that I have, and these are the brake pad and the rotor. I bought it from Amazon. Okay, first we need to loose all the bolts on the tire, and then we have to jack the vehicle on both sides. Alright, okay guys, this is what I did. Okay, I jack up on this side, and then I put the jack stand. It's right here so that you guys can see where to put it. Okay, see that? It's already hanging up. I'll show you guys on the other side. I did also the same thing here. See, it's the same thing on this side. See, this is the solid part that where you can put your jack stand. The reason I put it on that side, there's no chance for you to jack up your vehicle in here because these are all plastic, so that you can see if there's where's the hard part. And then also when you jack up your vehicle, you see the lower arm in here. I'll show you guys where to put it, just right there. And then when you jack your vehicle, always put on that side. Okay, it's the same thing from the other side when you jack up on that side. Okay, and then just leave the jack in there, so that will also help to support the jack stand that you have. Okay, all right. Okay guys, first we have to remove the tire. This one has lock key, so here's the lock key. And you remove this one. There you go. Just like that. This is the cover. Put all the bolts here, and then there's the tire. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys the rotor and the brake right here. Give me a second. This is the one that we are going to replace, the rotor and the brake pads. Okay, since I have this vehicle, it's not replaced, so this one is year 2016. Now it's 2021. Now it's time to replace. Okay, okay guys, we have to remove these bolts. Okay, this one is size 14 millimeter, and then the one holding in the bracket, it's in here. There's also one in the bottom on this one that is size 17 millimeter. Okay guys, I lost already these two bolts. Okay, then just pull the caliper up just like that. Okay, and then you need to hang this up right in the, give me a second here, it's not going through, in the strut shaft like that, so that the hose is not gonna get pressure like that. Okay, just hang it up like that. Okay, and then the next step, we have to remove these two bolts that is holding on the bracket. this brake pad. See, it's very thin already. See that? It's the same thing on this side. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, this one you need a power bar. This one because a little bit tight. You need more strength to do this one. Give me a second. There we go. Once that one is loose, you can move the ratchet. Okay, just like that. There you go. If you lose this bracket, see? Then after that, you have to remove this rotor. Okay? I'll show you guys here. Sorry. Sorry about that. This one there's a 2 screw. Okay, as you can see here, this one, and then also there's one here. Okay, there's 2 of them. Okay, this one guys is not really that tight. Okay, there we go. They're not that tight. Then you have a pillow screw. Just use the pillow screw. Then you have to save this one. You might need that one again. Okay, just like that. To remove this one. Okay guys, I removed already the rotor. Okay, you can see here from outside here is burned. Okay, you can see that. See, it's burned from outside here, but here it's not. It's like only in this side is touching the brake pad, but not here from the outside. It's in here. Okay, this is how it looks like when you guys remove already the rotor. Okay, guys, now I have to finish up. Clean. The dust is gonna come out from there. It's gonna be clean, and then that's gonna quick dry. See that? There we go. Okay, now guys, we have to push it back, this piston. Okay, we need this one. Make it sure when you push this piston back, you have opened the master cylinder. Okay. turn. Just turn this one. See that? You guys can see. It's pushing back slowly. Here we go. It's going in, and then after that you have to stop, and then you have to check the master cylinder if how's the brake fluid in there. Okay, see, it's almost full. That's why take your time when you do this one. Okay, and then do it again slowly. Just take your time, guys, when you do this one. You don't need to force, okay, to do it. Every time you turn, you have to wait at least 1 to 3 seconds and then turn it again. Okay. Now look at this one. Now see, the piston is all the way in already. Okay, so then we have to check the master cylinder. Look at that, it's almost full. So when we do the same thing on the other side, that will overfill. So we have to remove some of the brake fluid before we push the piston, the caliper on the other side. Okay, guys, after that we have to hang it up again, the caliper. And then my advice, guys, always put grease here before you put the rotor, so that it's not gonna get rusty, so that next time when you replace your brake pad and rotor, you don't have any hard time to remove it. Okay, when I remove this one, I'm having a hard time to do it, guys. Okay, guys, this is the brand new rotor. Okay, and these are the brake pad. I'll show you guys how to put this one. Okay, this one now, just like that. And the screw here. Same thing here. Just like that. This one, that you don't really need to make it too tight, okay? Just like that. There we go. It's a brand new rotor now. Okay. Okay, guys, when you tight the bracket, if you have torque wrench, it's 65 foot-pounds. Okay, 65 foot-pounds. Okay, just like that. There we go, guys. I installed already the brake pad. Look at the difference here. See how thin is this one? Look how thick the brand new. Okay, okay, guys, now we have to put it back. The caliper, we have to put the lubricant in here. Okay. This side, put both sides, and put around also on the piston. It's not gonna get rusty. Only a little bit, guys, okay? Don't put too much. Okay. Just like that. this one, guys, in the bolt on the caliper, we have to tighten only 45 foot-pounds. Okay, but if you don't have any torque wrench, just when you tighten this one, as long as it's snug, that's good. Yeah. Okay guys, everything here is done. We installed a brand new rotor and a brake pad. Okay, it's just a recap. The bracket, okay, for the caliper here, this one is 65 foot-pounds, and then the ball on the caliper is 45 foot-pounds. Okay, if what we did on this side, guys, is the same thing on the other side. Okay, it's the same thing, there's no difference. Okay guys, here is done. I installed already the tires, so now we're gonna do it again from the other side. But guys, don't forget to remove some of the brake fluid here. Okay, now we're gonna do it again from this side. If what we did from the other side is the same thing here. Okay guys, now I'm already on the other side. I removed already the caliper. I hung it up, so you have to push this back in. Same thing what we did from the other side. Remove this bracket, the 2 bolt from the back, and then remove the 2 screw here. Then the rotor will come out, and then install a new one. Put the bracket back for the caliper, and then always remember, guys, before you do that one, don't forget to remove some of the brake fluid on your master cylinder. Okay guys, now I installed already the rotor on the other side. So when you put it back, the bracket, guys, don't forget to put a grease in here, okay, before you put it back. Okay, and also guys, this one, don't forget to put a lubricant also on this one. Just put only a little bit, just like that. It's very easy. And that's it. I did already on this side, so it's the same thing, guys. It's very easy to put lubricant on this one. It's the same thing from the other side. I didn't show you guys from the other side, but here it's the same thing here from the other side. Okay guys, this is the new clip. You put it in just like that, and then just push it back. Just lock. Okay, it's the same thing here, just like that. Okay guys, up. There you go. Okay guys, everything is done here. So now I'm just gonna install the tire, and then that's it, we're done. Okay guys, everything is done. I hope this video will help you guys how to replace your rotor and your brake pad on your Kia Forte year 2016 to 2019. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and God bless everyone. Thank you.